Alter, ich habe Zeug für 600 Renminbi eingekauft. Nur das allerfeinste Zeug für dich.
Was das hast du gekauft? Ne, ja, 600.
Oh, das wird lecker, das wird lecker. Ja, das wird spannend.
I know what it is. It's the anus.
I made him eat the anus of a cow.
Look, second. Oh, it's filled with something. This is actually a real Chinese snack. Chinese. Nihon YouTube, what's going on? Salam to China, back again. Today we will have a look at some interesting Chinese snacks.
Yeah.
And we will have a really intense competition today. He bought 10 really funny snacks for me. I have to eat it. I bought 10 funny snacks for him. And he has to eat it.
Yeah. But I got some good stuff for you, definitely. You will like it, especially the last one. Wait for the last one.
The last one?
We have a little plastic bag here, so in case somebody has to vomit, so we are prepared.
Oh my god. Let's start the game.
So you first?
I start with the first snack.
Ooh.
Are you ready for that?
Yeah. Okay, what's that? Oh, that's
Cucumber
kind of
crisps.
nice.
Cucumber crisps.
Cucumber, yeah, that's pretty. I saw it in a supermarket before, and I find it strange to combine cucumbers with.
In China they have lemon flavor crisps, cucumber flavor, chocolate flavor crisps.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Like it's really small package, so you can basically count them. I don't know. Maybe you can guess how many.
Okay.
So,
how does it smell?
Yeah. Smells like fish.
Smells like a pickled cucumber mix of fish.
Yeah. Okay, let's try it. But you also want one? Oh no,
You try first.
Okay, like you only see like green, little green dots on it. No, I don't like it. No. It's strange. Yeah, like it.
It tastes like a pickled cucumber.
Yeah, it tastes like a rotten pickled cucumber.
Not like a fresh one though, eh?
No, it's but why? So why, to all Chinese people, why do you combine cucumber with chips?
Maybe they like the flavor.
Okay.
Maybe they like the cucumber flavor.
That's okay. I'm tolerant.
You having another one?
Of course.
We're going to number 19. Your snack for me.
Okay. So you want? Let's see. Okay, I will be kind.
Please be kind.
So it will be a little bit strange. So. What is this?
Oh no!
That's like some kind of fruit, is it? Like I don't know. I don't even know what this is.
No!
But look how it looks. Maybe I'll show you another one. Looks
Well,
like
there's more.
the head of a bull. Look at this.
This is the devil in
looks like a
disguise.
bat.
It's the devil. Where did you get that?
Yeah, like in the supermarket. That's pretty central. But I just bought it because I don't know what the fuck is.
Oh my goodness.
Look.
Alright then. Let's cut this bowl. What is that?
No, I think it's a fruit.
I don't even know how to open that. I think this has to be cooked, right?
You think so?
Hang on.
I think you can eat it raw. I think so. Try it.
Do you think I can eat this raw? Oh my god. Oh, no, I think this is kind of this maroni. How do you call this maroni? The castagna? No, castagna? Oh, I hope I won't die. It's bitter and sweet. Oh my god.
No, you don't. You have to take a full bite. Oh, it tastes like coconut.
Coconut?
Yeah, coconut. Like the color is like the. But maybe you have to cook it.
Do we have to cook this? I have no idea.
I don't know. But it's not too bad when you eat it raw.
Call the ambulance.
So let's go on with the next one.
Okay, number 18.
Well, show me. What? So you basically, I don't know what it is. You see a guy with a toothbrush.
And it's called?
Well, what's the name of it?
It's called breakfast sausage.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Ah, shit.
How does it smell?
Ah, it smells like gasoline.
This is dog food.
It's like really? Like
No, but is it sausage? Is it sausage? But I think it's teeth. How can it be dog food?
Okay, that's what it looks like. So.
And there is, you see there is this alarm clock. It looks like cheese. Maybe there is some cheese inside.
Oh, it smells pretty good actually. Smells like cinnamon. Smells kind of sweet.
Oh, it's super sweet. It smells like chocolate.
Tastes like a Christmas biscuit having a baby with a sausage.
Christmas biscuit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Come on.
Yeah, right.
No.
What
No.
it tastes like?
Super sweet sausage with cinnamon and chocolate flavor.
Don't eat this for breakfast.
Number 17.
Okay.
Some sweet sauce.
We have here beef grain. So basically,
Beef grain.
so it's how's it? Neutral.
Neutang.
It means like beef.
Beef
Yeah.
candy.
Beef candy.
Beef candy.
Beef candy.
Okay. I'm ready for that. Oh, it smells. Oh, I can smell the beef. Oh, this really smells like dried beef.
Yeah.
Is it really called beef candy? Okay.
Yeah, it's beef candy.
I will try one.
Okay, also Julian has one. So you will open it up?
Okay,
You have to, basically.
let's see.
Wait a second. Yes. Okay.
Oh my god.
That doesn't look really good.
Oh my god. Do you know what that smells like? Wow, it smells like dog food. Or cat food. Okay, let me have a try. Chew.
Wait, I will. I'm feeling the pain.
It's super hard. Did you buy the cheapest one?
I think so. Oh no, only the best quality for you. I sure.
It's super hard, dry and sweet.
I thought dog food tastes like.
Dried dog food.
Yeah, but it's okay. But I wouldn't say like, oh yeah, let's have some candy.
I need a cucumber chip now.
Let's have some candy, like dog food candy, man.
Number 16. You want something sweet as well?
Nah, you got some salty stuff, man. Oh boy, boy, what you? Oh no!
There you go. Fuck.
Like you normally eat this when they're like everything.
When
like,
everything is gone, you can basically eat.
Like the world is about to collapse, you know, and there's no food anymore. You're like on the whole planet, you can't find like a plant or something, and then you find a can of this, and then you're happy. But when you can go outside and have good food, you don't eat this. But it's also beef.
牛肉的
Yeah.
牛菜肉 Okay.
Oh no. Wait, open it for the camera.
Yeah, let's open that. Maybe. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Okay, hang on.
So.
Show them.
Ah, it tastes like shit. No, really, it tastes like shit.
You
Smell
didn't
it.
taste it yet.
No, okay, it smells like shit. Sorry, right?
Oh.
Ah.
There you go.
But can you eat it raw?
I will cut a really, really thin slice for you.
No, I can eat it, but not the whole thing.
Beautiful.
No, not the whole thing, please.
There you go.
Oh shit, man. But not the whole thing, do I?
Just try it as much as you can.
Okay, I don't know, it's just good. Is that enough? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
It's enough.
But it really tastes like shit.
You want some cucumber?
Yeah.
Food.
Not even
It smells like cat food.
It smells like shit.
Okay.
I'm 100% shit. 100% definitely, yeah. I'm sorry. Maybe they put a lot of work in, I don't know, to produce this product, but no. No. Oh man, you want to try it?
I already tried it. Oh my god.
And now we have for you today.
Wow, this looks actually beautiful.
Ah, you think so on the first sight, but look. There is a yolk of an egg inside of a biscuit.
When they put an egg there, it just means it's cake.
Okay.
So there won't be any yolk inside, I'm pretty sure.
You think
Let's
so?
see about that.
Let's check that.
Right? I hope so.
There's
see
a
what
yolk
it says.
inside, I am pretty sure. How does it smell like?
Yeah, smells like a regular cake. A regular piece of cake.
Okay.
No big deal with that.
Yeah, try it. What do you say? Is there yolk inside?
It's some white cream, but it's undefinable. It doesn't really
It doesn't
taste or
really
look
taste
like egg yolk,
Okay.
but it's okay. Actually, that's
let me
okay.
see, let me
I
see.
could enjoy that with a coffee. Not too bad.
No, that's no egg yolk. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Doesn't look too bad. It looks like it's corn. Look at it, it's corn.
It's corn.
Yeah, it's corn.
Is it really corn?
Is
Or
it?
does it look like corn?
No,
it's like
it looks
it's
like
really
corn.
soft. Press it.
Ah no,
It's
no.
like a gummy bear.
I can stick it to. Ah fuck shit. Can stick it to your fingers. Ooh.
Yeah.
I have one corn. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Like nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, a little like it's really jelly. It's really jelly as you can see.
Gummy bears flavor.
Yeah, but gummy bears without sugar. Ah, now I taste the corn. A little bit. That's not too. Yeah, it's sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, it smells like corn a bit. Smells like corn. Look at that.
Okay.
Stony.
I hope you can eat it like this.
What is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy
It's fucking seaweed, man.
seaweed?
Seaweed.
What is that? Sushi? Sushi roll?
But I think you also can eat it like this.
Oh, it smells like fish.
Yeah, well.
Oh my goodness. It's black, but it's kind of crispy from the outside, right?
Let me see.
Okay, I will try it. Yeah, it smells like fish.
You hear it?
So bad.
Not too bad, but kind of
It's
strange.
super fishy.
Yeah. There's a fish peat on my grass.
You take it. Don't waste the food, guys. Never waste food, okay? We all finish this.
Finish the candy, I will finish the seaweed.
I will finish this. And I will finish this as well. I don't know how, but I will.
Oh, God.
There
There will be payback, my friend.
There you go, there you go.
Why should somebody buy this stuff? I will go to like a supermarket and go and see this and say, oh yeah, today I'm in for some rotten baked or fried fish.
It's dried fish, yeah?
Oh shit.
Ah, beautiful.
Well, it works like this. So.
Smell it.
Oh, no smell. No smell.
Ah!
Shit. Eat it.
No, there is two of them.
No,
there
we
is another one.
just need one. We just need one.
Why? Maybe it's really good.
Oh, maybe.
Okay.
Good too.
Yeah, you. No, smell it.
I have to?
Yeah, smell it.
Okay. Yeah, like
20 years old Pete. Oh, it smells. Whoa, that smells.
Oh, like it's like
Oh.
it smells a little bit like tuna,
Oh, that really
but
smells.
it's like it's really spicy in your nose. And you can eat it like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it smells. Dude,
Wait, I just get
it smells like a toilet. The head, when they put the head up. Go away. You smell like a rotten fish.
Want some of this?
Oh fuck. Okay, let me try that.
Yeah, it's really chewy. Yeah.
It has this anise flavor to it.
Yeah, I don't have to eat the whole thing.
But actually, in my personal opinion, I think it's not too bad. You know, the Chinese people like to eat this, for example, when they're on the train or something like this. This is just a snack.
But when you're on the train and you eat this, maybe your neighbors don't like you anymore because you're so smelly.
More fish?
Yeah. That will be disgusting, I hope.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah,
It's the same flavor. It's the 五香味儿，五香味儿的虾 astronaut food.
So if you're on a spaceship, I think that's a good way to eat stuff like this. Luckily,
Look at that,
you have
look at
glasses
that.
on.
That's it. It's a dried shrimp, man.
Just put it in my nose, man.
Actually, it's pretty good. But it's not too bad. But do you think this is real? Is that a real one?
Oh boy. Oh, okay. Okay, what is... Cheese and fish sausage?
There you go.
Fucking why, but so far as my experience is that Chinese people don't like cheese. So why you make cheese and fish sausage? I thought you don't like cheese. Okay, well let's see.
What does it say on the back?
This is the sausage. Looks like you can bend it. We have a
Unzip
red
it here.
thing, so you will never.
Unzip it, bend it, and suck it.
Suck the sausage.
Okay.
The sausage.
Okay.
Suck the sausage, man.
Show it.
Okay, I unzipped it, so now I have to suck it. Okay.
The whole thing.
How should I fucking suck the sausage? Okay.
Cheese and fish sausage.
I can bite it as well. Oh, why it's always sweet? No, it's okay. But,
But is it?
there's a sweet and there's like some cheese. Look, there's some kind of cheese inside. So I don't know where's the fish. So for me it's just like some kind of strange cheese with cheese.
It kind of tastes like lemon cheesecake.
Yeah, but I don't taste fish. You taste fish?
No.
I see that there's a yellow dot. Maybe you see it here, and I think that's supposed to be the cheese somehow, but the rest also tastes like cheese. So
It tastes like a lemon cake.
see what we get. Maybe something good before you try.
Something good?
Yeah, something really nice. Look at this.
Oh, this is guodong.
Do you know it?
Guodong. Yeah, this is like the flubbery stuff.
Yeah, it's really
Beautiful.
really jelly.
And then show you what I really like. What I really like is this straws.
So you basically don't open it up. Normally I make this
You
mistake.
see that? You see that? This is super sophisticated straws.
And
It doesn't go back.
you don't get rid of the lid because
Yeah.
it's also really hard to do it.
Yeah, you don't get rid of the lid. You just push this thing inside. Yeah, and then you suck it again. Okay.
Yeah, so that's a treat for you. So it will be really nice. Suck it! Yeah, you got some bubble.
There's so many balls in my mouth now. You see that?
Be careful.
So what do you think about it? Pretty good. Let me try it. Yeah.
Suck the balls.
A lot of balls.
Suck more.
But strange, you see? Like it's kind of, there's a certain liquid, but
Kind of
on
liquid, yeah.
the other hand it's still jelly. I don't know what...
And in summer, this is really refreshing. Guodong. Beautiful. And this is an apple flavor one. And then I like this kind of bubbles. You can chew it.
yeah,
And there is some fruit pieces inside. I like this.
for example, in Germany we had this like it was
Bucket pudding, yeah.
it was a hype where we had this tea shops and they all sold like sweet tea.
The
with
bubble tea.
bubbles.
The bubble
yeah, the
tea,
bubble
yeah.
tea, yeah. But now it's out, so it's
Yeah.
not like really trendy.
Thank you. That was really nice of you. Because of that, I will treat you nice.
Okay, I hope
You will get
can.
something
I
nice
hope
as
you
well
can.
now.
Oh boy, oh boy. That's a pig. What? Shit.
Oh shit! What can you see there? Show them.
Look, what is that? Like you, on the one hand you see a happy pig, walking, but now you see like maybe this should be.
This
his
is the content.
meat.
This is the content
But
of the pig.
isn't it like a little bit strange to to display a really happy comic pig and then
Show the meat
on
the inside.
Second, so you see that there are little there's little hairs on it.
I think it's dried meat.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. We just opened up the pig. I opened up the pig for him.
No, it looks smells a little spicy.
Sweet again, huh? Kind of sweet.
Yes, sweet and spicy. Look, and hairy. So,
Yeah.
focus. Yeah.
Okay.
It's good. That's already. Why is it always sweet? Why is the meat always sweet? But
It's a happy pig.
the intestines.
You should
are-
have more. It's a happy pig.
No, I hate this pig. You see this nice guy? He seems to be really smart because he was wearing glasses. Like this nice guy.
So what is it?
A lot.
Oh, it's super oily. It is super oily. When you open
shit,
that.
man.
Look at that.
Yeah,
it is
show-
really, really
Show it to
oily.
me. Wait a second.
Wow, wow, this is super oily.
Oh shit, man. Ah,
Wow.
what the smell? Oh, oh,
Wow. Wow.
oh.
It smells so oily.
Oh, maybe.
How can you possibly eat that?
But you can.
Wow. Oh, this is dripping. This is dripping in oil.
Dripping
Look
is-
at that. Holy cow.
I was very keen on eating this strange stuff. You hear that? Give me a piece.
Nimm den ganzen, nimm den ganzen.
Yeah,
It's sweet.
it tastes like,
Sweet again.
well, like you like copper, no, styropor, like,
Papa,
yeah,
styropor.
styropor, yeah.
Cupboard. Yeah.
But
But it's spicy, man.
yeah,
Wow. After a while it gets spicy.
yeah, it's pretty spicy and you see this? Okay, draw the department. But
Ready for the next one?
yeah, wait a minute. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. I
The old Chinese guy wants you to eat
no.
some
I think we
delicious
take the next
chores.
one. Someone found some dirt in the forest and packed it up and said, "Oh, maybe I can get some money for it."
No char.
Or like this is the top here, but you always open it
Because
down
then
here.
you can pick it like this directly.
Okay, I can see
Chinese
that.
people are smart, okay?
But here it's the same. Like you open it here, but so you.
Yeah, we used to open that on the top usually.
Yeah.
That's true. Oh. Oh.
I don't know. What it smells like. I don't know.
Meat.
Yeah, meat like
Meat and
raw
oil.
meat. Raw meat.
No,
Like no, like I don't know. Wow,
eat the whole one.
beautiful.
No, as you should, I will tell you which kind of meat it is. It
What
is
is it?
mouse meat.
Wow, it's really mouse meat.
Oh, it's spicy.
It's mouse meat.
Oh, but it's super spicy, man, huh?
No, it's okay.
It's really spicy.
But what kind of meat is it?
It's tofu. It's tofu. It's tofu.
What?
It's tofu.
It's not.
Yeah, it's
no
tofu.
meat.
Tofu, no meat.
Get it. Get some.
But wow,
But it's like
if this is
definitely like when you eat it, you would never
it's
suggest.
really good.
Okay,
Eh? It's really good. I like it. It's tofu.
I like it.
Well, guys, that was it. I hope you liked our Chinese snack marathon. If you liked our video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and
Subscribe.
see you next time. Bye bye.
再见。
再见。
你是我的小呀小苹果，怎么